Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4 plus s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, we have to ask the ask. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. Ask the ask we change by the u over number 2. Next, we can use about integration by past. So I will put about t equals to ln u. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side, and we have du over u. dv, we have 1 over 2 du. The integration of this one, we have v equal to u over 2. Next, we have t multiplied by v minus, we have dt multiplied by v, u divided by u, we cancel, and we just have 1 over 2, and the integration du. About this one, we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.